guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Today's DIY is actually very simple. It's something that I haven't even thought of doing before, and something I haven't really seen online, probably because of the nature of its simplicity, to be honest. Here in North Carolina, it's been raining a lot recently, and when I got my car back, I realized that my windshield wipers they're shot. They've been sitting for too long. They don't really wipe the rain away all that well, so I decided to go ahead and replace them. And then I thought, well, is there really a DIY out there for them? And I realized that the DIY might actually be too simple, you know, so there's probably not a whole lot of people putting it out there, but some people just don't know how to do these things. And it's actually, on these cars, it's very simple to replace this windshield wipers. So I did go to the store and get myself some windshield wipers, and these are Rain-X Quantum. These are the ones that I've always used. I'm not endorsed by Rain-X or anything, so like, this is just a product that I've always used. They're really good wipers. They're probably the best ones that I've ever used. I'm going to show you what you need to do to replace these. I actually had gotten these before, but I got the ones with the J hooks and they were the wrong ones. I had never even looked at these wipers before, so I didn't know they had a different way of getting put on. So I'm going to show you how these are made, or like the different connector that they use, and yeah, so let's go ahead and look at it. So these are the Rain-X Quantums, and I had to go back and get the right sizes. So for the passenger side, we're going to be using the QBW-A, and then for the driver's side, it's a longer one, and it's QBW-E. But anyway, these are the ones that you have to get if you want to get these ones, and I'll link those in the description down below so that you can get these same ones. And I actually really like these because they kind of create like a beading technology, kind of like if you've ever used Rain-X on your windshield, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The rain just kind of flies off. So right now I'm going to show you how to take these off and replace them with the proper blades. All right, and so we're going to start off with the passenger side, and as you can see, it's been raining already. This is one of the main reasons why I wanted to go ahead and do it, because I thought about doing it earlier in the week and I just haven't had time. But it's raining today, it's supposed to be raining later, and it's supposed to be raining all day tomorrow, so I want to go ahead and get it done. So these actually come off really easily. If you see, there's this grooved section right here. You just press down on it and kind of pull it this way, and it comes off. And this is how they're hooked on there. And if you can see right here, you have to kind of watch out for this little hook, because you have to make sure that the new wiper blade goes in, and then the little clips, the little tabs over here, have to lock into place. So I'll go ahead and show you how that is. So here are the new blades. As you can see, it includes this little adapter if you need it. We don't need it. We're gonna go ahead and install it. It's got a yellow protector, and just leave this protector on until we go ahead and put this on. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. So I'll try to be as clear as possible. Go ahead and kind of slide it on, and you see how this is going in first. And then once this is pushed in, we have these tabs right here that we have to press in. We press them in and try to get them in there. Make sure the other side is also in place, and then just give it a slight tug to make sure that it's on there. And it's easy as that. Before we start using these, we're going to take off this protector that's down here and just slide. That's all there is to it. So now we have this one done. We're going to go ahead and do the other side. The other side is going to be done the exact same way, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. So on this side, we're going to do the exact same thing, and you can actually see this a little better on this side. Click those little tabs in and pull it out. Alright, so now I have my blade. We're going to go ahead and slide it in, and then we press those buttons in, and it locks into place. And then there's a little sticker we have to remove over here, and then just pull these guys out. And there you go. Now we have brand new windshield wipers. Like I said, this DIY is really simple. There's really not much to it, but I just kind of want to show you guys. I know there are a few people out there that are scared to touch their cars at all. Take these cars to a dealership and then have the dealership charge them an arm and a leg. And honestly, I don't know about you, but I don't like to pay hundreds of dollars every time I need to do something to my car. And a lot of times, it's not even worth it. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and click like, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll talk to you next time. Peace.